Today, public health experts talk to local doctors about the best practices when dealing with the possible cases of coronavirus or COVID-19.
KC24's Justin Sasher joins us in studio now with what the experts told our local doctors they should know. Justin.
The Fresno County Health Department is making sure local doctors have the right resources when it comes to coronavirus, from the proper procedure for testing patients to preventing its spread.
You have to have a fever, you have to have those respiratory symptoms, and one other high-risk criteria to qualify for testing.
Fresno County Department of Public Health Officer Dr. Race Vorha says right now the CDC is limiting testing people for the novel coronavirus to certain situations. At a scientific lecture for local physicians at UCSF Fresno's campus downtown, he told doctors they can start the testing by contacting the health department.
It's probably a matter of when and not if.
Local samples are now sent to a lab in Tulare instead of the CDC, which can furnish faster results in 48 hours. Dr. Vorha encouraged doctors present to explain proper use of masks to patients.
People just start using masks all the time for no good reason, then of course we're going to run out. I mean, it's a limited resource.
So asymptomatic people really should not be wearing masks. If you've ever worn a mask, you've experienced this yourself. Whenever you have something that's just touching that many parts of your face, you're going to fiddle with it all the time. And that's a little ironic because that actually increases the hand-to-face contact. And that's actually the worst thing that you could do with a droplet-transmitted disease.
Dr. Vorha says the health department is holding sessions similar to this with school districts and other entities which need to make plans for the spread of the disease, including possible closures.
Fresno is a different community than Reedley or Selma. Every city, depending on what goes on in that city and what the normal things and activities those people do in that city, are going to have to make individualized plans.
The latest information on the novel coronavirus on our website, yourcentralvalley.com. Find it clicking the news menu. Live in the studio, I'm Justin Sasher, KC24, local news that matters.
Justin.